Hello, I want to talk about the leftover ingredients from dishes that I make. In a couple of episodes ago, I made a seafood soup, and in it, there were some ingredients I used to make the broth that never actually made it to the dish itself. Now, those ingredients, such as this silken chicken, you could throw it away because at this point it served its purpose already. But why waste money and why waste food? At the end of the day, it is still food. It's just not very good tasting. And silken chicken by itself naturally isn't the most tasty chicken. Great for making broth, but nobody ever sits there and goes, man, I'm gonna cook up a silken chicken to eat. It's not very flavorful, it's kind of tough, it's a little dry, but it makes good broth for some reason, and it's supposed to be healthy. I have no idea why it's healthy. Maybe it's folklore, who knows? But there's a traditional dish that works very well to use leftover ingredients, which is egg fried rice. Egg fried rice traditionally was used as a vehicle to use up all your leftover ingredients and odds and ends. It's not really that strict, honestly. It's a dish that you can have a lot of leeway and you could use a lot of different ingredients. I mean, like I said, the whole point was to get rid of leftover ingredients. So this is a great opportunity to make egg fried rice with the leftover chicken. It's still edible, it's just not extremely tasty. So you go through and make the traditional egg fried rice with the aromatics. In this case, seeing that especially since the protein in this case is kind of flavorless, you really need some help to season it up. Go ahead and finely dice that scallop, ginger, and garlic. These are all ingredients that I have from the previous episode anyway. So I'm gonna mince them up, and then I'm gonna make an omelet. Now, the omelet itself, in this case, I'm going to utilize that leftover onion that I used to season the soup that's now been boiled to the point where it's disintegrating. It's extremely soft and it's very flavorful. It's very sweet. And now as I whip it into the omelet itself, it pretty much breaks apart and disappears. It's part of the egg. It gives it more body. It makes it very sweet. So you would cook it up like you would any omelet. Go ahead and put it in high heat. And once you're done, the omelet completely absorbs all the onion and it completely disappears. It is now part of the egg and it's extra sweet and it's a lot of eggs now. I basically inflated the ingredient. And I'm going to garnish with the traditional green onions. And you throw everything into a hot pan, cook it with some overnight rice, and voila. If you like this episode, please like and subscribe. Enjoy.